Here I'm going to show you a few things before you install the light fixtures, so that way you're not going to make this mistake. Many people they do these type of things because it's cheaper and it's faster, but you're going to have issues. So now I'm going to show you the problem that you're going to have if you don't do this right. So as you can see, this is a big mistake. Doing it like that, you have to have the box inside, so that way, because this over time is going to get damaged. Right, the advantage of doing it like that is that because if you use the plastic and you make the holes here, over time those holes, they're going to get bigger and it's going to be it's going to move all the way. It's going to be wobbly. So that is why if you put this, you put the screws here, you're never going to have any issues. That is the way it's done, and now all we have to do install the light fixture, the light bulb, and that's it. To show you a few other examples about the same thing. I see these like many times, so that is a bad practice. As you can see, most people, they want to do it the cheapest and the quickest way, so they put a few screws here on the wall, and that's it. So that is all you're getting, but over time you're going to have issues. One, because by code you have to have everything needs to be enclosed, so you have to have an electrical box, and if you have something like that, yeah, you may be able to install it, but over time you buy another light, you may have some issues later trying to do the same thing. So the best option is to install an electrical box like I showed you before. So here, as you can see, this is a tutorial how to do this. Here I see the same thing. So basically, people, they try to put it kind of like that, and also it is not going to look good, and it's going to be kind of problematic if you try to do something like that. Again, by code, you have to have everything, inside of the electrical box. So here I found another article. Okay, as you can see here in this other article is much better. So basically the same thing. And if you see here, okay, of course, before you do anything, you have to turn off the power. Otherwise, you may get electrocuted. So here, as you can see here, we have the electrical box. In this case, it's properly, so that way if you have to do any other replacement or anything like that in the future, it's done right. So as you can see here, this is the way I recommend it. In this case, the customer didn't have any of that, and I see this like very often. If they don't have it, I offer to add it, and I see this even in the bathroom. So the bathroom is many times they don't have even a light. They don't have an electrical box, and it's difficult when you have to install another light fixture, or you have to replace it. As you can see here in this case, you have to replace this, and maybe the customer wants something else and you don't have a way to fix it in place, and it's problematic. Always install an electrical box and you will be safe. Hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know section below. If you want to watch more videos, go to my playlist and you will see all my classes over there. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Thank you.